So now let's understand that how can we convert any unsymmetrical quantity into the symmetrical one. Fine. And how exactly this symmetrical component box is working. So let's say I have one box. Okay, I have a box. Fine. I have given certain quantities which are unsymmetrical. I have given certain quantities which are unsymmetrical. Fine. What quantities I have given, let's not talk about it right now. ठीक है? Fine. How exactly those quantities are looking like, let's see it later on. ठीक है? चलो. तो पहले हम ऐसा अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, इस चीज को समझेंगे कि when I give unsymmetrical quantities to this particular box, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बॉक्स कि जो उसको ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहा है तीन अलग अलग सिमेट्रिकल क्वांटिटीज में. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डील विथ थ्री सिमेट्रिकल क्वांटिटीज राइट नाउ. माय फर्स्ट क्वांटिटी इज लाइक दिस, जो मुझे इसके आउटपुट में मिला. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? ओके, सो दैट इज लाइक दिस. आई हैव VA, VB and VC voltages. Fine, I have three voltages VA, VB and VC. You should remember that. And I have ABC sequence as well. I have the sequence ABC sequence. What is the meaning of ABC sequence? If I say ABC sequence, that means if this is A, this is B, this is C. The vector rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Okay? So A के बाद B, B के बाद C. Is it clear? Fine. Okay. So now let's deal with the first thing that I have got. It is like this. The first thing that I have got, it is like this. I have got VA1, VA1, VB1, and VC1. Is it clear? So this is my first symmetrical term that I have got. VA1, VB1 and VC1. Is it clear? This is again ABC sequence. Fine. It is my sequence. It is actual sequence, and hence it is called as positive sequence. It is called as positive sequence. पता चला? It is my sequence on actual sequence. Clear हो रहा है? Okay. Now let's talk about another sequence in which we have. Suppose it is like this. VA1, this is VC1 and this is VB1. Fine. So sequence मेरा रिवर्स हो गया. A के बाद C, C के बाद B. ऐसा हो गया कि नहीं हो गया? पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? Vectors are rotating in anti-clockwise direction. A के बाद कौन आया? C. C के बाद कौन आया? B. पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? ये clear हुआ? Fine. So we understood in first case we have got A, B and C. In second case I have got A, C and D. So this is what we got. I'm so sorry. I will not write it 1. It is written as 2. VA2, VC2 and VB2. So this is my negative sequence. This sequence is what? Negative sequence. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? And say after conversion I have got the third thing which is like this. I have got a third thing which is like this. Say it is VA0, VB0, VC0. Fine. Here what is similar? So I can say that this length is similar. Here also this length is similar. Here also this length is similar. So magnitudes are same. 120, 120, 120, 120, 120, 120. Fine. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Symmetrical, symmetrical. And this is what we call as zero sequence. This is what we call as zero sequence. Fine. And I have given some unsymmetrical quantity which from which we have got these three quantities, and these three quantities are such quantities when we'll add all these three quantities, we'll get that unsymmetrical quantity. So let's understand what was that unsymmetrical quantity. So unsymmetrical quantity is what? It is addition of all three quantities that we people have seen. है ना? ये पता चला कि नहीं पता चला? ये सबको clear? Okay. So now we can say that I have got my VA1, VA2 and VA0. The addition of all three, it will give me the value of VA. Fine? The addition of all three, that is VA1, VA2 and VA0 will give me the value of VA. Fine? So let's understand how do we get that thing. So suppose I will take half of the magnitude of all the vectors, which will be beneficial to me, I guess. So I'll take, okay, let's take the actual magnitude, not an issue. So we'll have VA1, fine, this is my VA1, okay, and my VB1, VA2 is what? VA2 is like this, VA2 is like this, it is over here. It should be parallel to that. It should be parallel to that. Are they parallel? Is it parallel? Yeah, it is a bit parallel. Okay, so this is my VA2. Fine, this is my VA2. Fine, and VA0 is what? So it is like that. So I'll take a bit light pen which will help me. So it should be again parallel to that because it is vector addition. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Fine. So this is my VA1, VA2 and VA0. पढ़ रहा है कि नहीं पढ़ रहा है समझ? Okay. So here I have got this as my VA. ये clear हुआ? Which is nothing but the addition of VA1, VA2 and VA0. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? ये पता चला VA1 plus VA2 plus VA0 is giving me the value of VA. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Okay, let's talk about VB. So VB is nothing but the addition of VB1, VB2 and VB0. Fine. Okay, so let's say VB1 is like this. Exact same magnitude. VB2, it should be parallel to that. It should be parallel to that. तो इसको 120 डिग्री होना चाहिए. इसको 120 डिग्री होना चाहिए, बराबर? 90 to 31 कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ. Fine. तो ये I'll be taking over here. हो गया एग्जैक्ट पैरेलल. थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ है, फाइन, बट इट इज फाइन. ये क्लियर हुआ? फाइन. सो दिस इज VB1, दिस इज VB2. नाउ VB0, it is parallel to this same. So let's see. It's parallel, almost parallel. So I have got my VA, which is this. Now I will get my VB from this point. This plus this plus this. So this is my VB. Can you see that? VA and VB not symmetrical. Not symmetrical. Magnitude भी same नहीं है, angle भी 120 नहीं है. Clear हुआ? Now let's deal with VC. So VC is what? So VC is VC1 plus VC2 plus VC0. So VC1 कहाँ है? It's here. We'll draw. VC1, fine. VC1. Then we'll be having VC2. VC2 is like this. VC2. Oh, I'm sorry. It should be red. This is VC2. Clear? And VC0 is like this, parallel to this, so it is parallel to this. Clear हुआ? Fine. So we have got visible for us to draw well. So I have got this as my VC. Is it clear? Clear or not? Fine. So technically speaking, I have got three quantities which are literally unsymmetrical. If you actually want to see how these quantities were, so I am rubbing all these lines what I have drawn for getting this thing. So you'll understand what was the actual quantity that I have given in this box and what have I got out of it. So the three quantities that I have given in were like this. These were literally unsymmetrical quantities. When I have given it, when I have given these three unsymmetrical quantities into this box, which has converted it into symmetrical ones. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? So this is the actual understanding that how symmetrical component works. Clear हुआ? Fine. I hope it is very clear that how exactly this transformation is happening. Fine. Now let's deal with the mathematics of it. Okay. So here we understood three equations from this particular diagram, that VA is basically VA1 plus VA2 plus VA0. VB is equal to VB1 plus VB2 plus VB0, and VC is equal to VC1 plus VC2 plus VC0. Is it clear? Now let's deal with certain mathematics over here. I know this is 120, this is minus 120, or this is 240. Is it clear? Fine. Okay. Okay. So I can say that VA1, VB1 and VC1, all three are having same magnitudes. So I can say that VA1 we have. Fine. VA1 we have. Okay. When I am supposed to write down VB1, so I can say that VA1 is equal to VA1. That's fine. It's very logical. So VB1 is equal to VB1 is equal to 141. 241. It is alpha square. Alpha square. So it is alpha square into VA1. Do you understand? Magnitude कितना है? VA1 जितना ही है ना magnitude. Angle कौन सा है? 240. It is alpha square. Alpha square is one angle 240. So it's VA1 जितना magnitude at 240 degree. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? So we got this. Now let's deal with VC1, which is equal to alpha into VA1. So we got these three mathematical relationships. Fine. Let's talk about this negative sequence. So we can say that VA2 is equal to VA2. Fine. Okay. Now let's deal with VB2. So VB2 is equal to alpha into VA2, and VC2 is equal to alpha square into VA2. Is it clear? Fine. Whereas when we talk about VA0 is equal to VB0 is equal to VC0. So VA0 is also VA0, VB0 is also VA0, and VC0 is also VA0. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Fine. Okay. Chal. So after this, I'll put all these values into given equation. So I can say let's write down the first equation. VA is equal to VA1 plus VA2. So VA2 is equal to VA2. VA2 is equal to VA2. Fine. And VA0 is equal to VA0. So plus VA0. I have got my first equation. Now let's write down second equation. So VB is equal to VB1 plus VB2 plus VB0. Acha, VB1 is alpha square VA1. So I can say it is alpha square VA1 plus VB2 alpha into VA2 plus VB0. It is VA0. So it is VA0. So I have got VB, another equation. Is it clear? Let's write down the third equation. So I can say that VC, which is equal to VC1 plus VC2 plus VC0. Okay, is it visible in camera? Okay, so VC, which is equal to VC1 is given by alpha VA1. So it is alpha VA1 plus alpha square VA2 plus VA0. So I have got VC as well. Any doubt on this? And all these three equations we are going to write down in the terms of matrices. So I can say that VA, VB, VC, VA, VB, VC is equal to something into VA1, VA2 and VA0. Fine. So we have got 1, 1, 1. We have got 1, 1, 1. Then second, alpha square alpha 1, alpha square alpha 1, and third is alpha alpha square 1. So it is alpha alpha square 1. So I can say that V actual or V phase quantities is equal to transformation matrix, which is my box multiplied by this sequence components. Clear हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Done. So I can say that V phase is equal to A into V sequence. Clear हुआ? Done. Any doubt on this? I hope everything is clear for this right now.